Just getting started with TikTok? In the next 2 minutes, I'll guide you through the absolute basics, from downloading the app to deleting your account, all in one go. Let's jump right in. First, head to the App Store or Play Store, search for TikTok, and install it. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up. You can use your phone number, email, or a linked Google, Facebook, or Apple account to create your profile. Already have an account? Tap Log In on the welcome screen and enter your credentials or sign in using a linked account. If you ever need to log out, just go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, then choose Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and hit Log Out. To personalize your profile, tap Edit Profile. You can easily change your username by entering a new one. Just remember, you can only change it once every 30 days. Tap your profile photo to update it from your gallery or take a new one. And add something cool or catchy to your bio that describes you or your content. Want to unlock more features? Switch to a pro account by heading into Settings and Privacy, then Account, and select Switch to Business Account. You'll get access to analytics and tools for growth. And finally, if you ever decide to step away from TikTok, you can delete your account in the same menu under Account. Just follow the confirmation steps, and it's done. That's TikTok basics in a nutshell. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Tutor for more fast and simple tech tutorials, and comment below if you want part 2 of this TikTok series. See you in the next one.